At homeinfuerteventura.tv, we're proud to announce a new title sponsorship partner in GoldAcre Estates, working with them over the coming months to bring you the very best that Fuerteventura offers and giving you a real insight into our paradise on Earth. In the Canary Islands, we are exploring the beauty of Corralejo, from its breathtaking beaches to its friendly fishing village, and the exciting opportunities within the area. The helpful staff at GoldAcre Estates will be showing us around this wonderful resort as we welcome you home in Fuerteventura.
When and how did you end up on Fuerteventura?
Well, I'd actually met John GoldAcre previously before moving out here, and it was a decision to come out to work for him directly. So I was living in Portugal at the time, working in the Algarve in real estate, and I decided to jump in the car, literally bring my windsurfers, pots and pans, drive down to the Canary Islands, and here I am.
And how long have you been here?
I've been here now 17 years. I think it was 2005 when I first came through, yeah. I have to say I'm completely biased. I absolutely adore Fuerteventura as an island.
Me too.
And I'm just so lucky to live here in Corralejo.
You're a fellow windsurfer, aren't you?
You know, while I'm standing here looking behind you, I can see all the kites out on Flag Beach. I can see the guys kite foiling now and windsurfing here in the bay of Corralejo.
You're looking longingly out there.
Looking longingly, you know, I need to get out there. It looks perfect conditions.
Do you just want to explain to our viewers what it is you do with GoldAcre Estates?
I'm the business development director, if you like.
Have you been busy with that?
We've been hugely busy. We have a YouTube channel which is heavily subscribed and very interesting actually, a lot of hours being watched on it, and I think it just shows how interested people are really to get detailed information on properties, which is not always so easy. Home in Fuerteventura is great because it's really showing people different areas of Fuerteventura and allowing them to start making some basic decisions about where they should be looking to buy. We have a database where we have 24,000 potential buyers that we're dealing with through our customer services, our exhibitions, of course, and our magazine and our mobile app that we have now, which is a great feature. If you're looking for a property to buy as a holiday home or somewhere to come and live, GoldAcre Estates actually helps you all the way through from start to finish and beyond. We're always around should you have any questions.
While we were filming with Nick, we bumped into Beth and Bobby's family, who were out here making good use of their recently purchased holiday home.
We first came on the holiday to Fuerteventura about 8 years ago. We spent a couple of years holidaying in hotels, and then we came up to Corralejo, and when we came to Corralejo we absolutely fell in love with the place. And we decided to rent a villa, and we had a holiday in a villa instead of a hotel, and that was when our ideal of being here began. And we were very fortunate to come across GoldAcre, and we spent a few days on one of the holidays we were in looking at places all around Corralejo, which we fell in love with, and we decided to buy a place in Oasis Tamarindo. But GoldAcre, we had that place for 4 years.
Yep.
And Beth was always taking us to have a look at houses in Mirador de las Dunas. Over the couple of years we saw they were filling up, so we made the decision to make the move to buy a place in Mirador de las Dunas.
We've never looked back, it's the most amazing experience ever.
We've got 6 more years left until we retire, and then we're going to live in Corralejo full time, and we can't wait for it.
You're out here with your kids?
Yes.
On holiday.
What do they think of the place?
They love it, absolutely love every second of it.
And is this
Yeah.
one of their favourite places that they like coming to here?
They love coming here and jumping off the pier, they love going to the beaches, the water park. There is so much here for children. We've got paddle boards, we go to the beach, we go to the pool. We're running out of days with the things that there are to do here. It's just the most amazing place. So many great bars, great restaurants. There's too much to do to fit into a holiday sometime.
Perfect. Well, thank you very much for letting us borrow your kids.
Welcome. Anytime. You want them, you can have them.
Please take them.
Yeah, oh, okay, yeah, we'll bear that in mind. You can have it back afterwards, though. You know.
If we must.
Oh, yeah. Take care and have a great holiday.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.
3, 2, 1, go. Then you jump, okay? Yeah, 3, 2, 1, jump. Like that.
Bye. Just go with us.
In future episodes, we'll be looking deeper into the Corralejo area, finding out why more people are spending more time here and discovering the resort's many treasures.
We hope you're enjoying HomeinFuerteventura.tv. If you are, please like, subscribe and click the notification button if you haven't already, so you're always up to date with the island. You can also share and comment to help grow and influence the channel, which we're loading up with informative Fuerteventura fun along with our website. We look forward to welcoming you back home in Fuerteventura soon. Until then, thank you very much for watching, and adios.